Hello everyone. I hope all of you all are doing very well. So in this video, I am going to tell you something which is very beautiful and something that you have forgotten, that God is always on your side. Hamesha 100% या 200% या whatever percentage of belief you have, God is always on your side. Now, why am I sharing this story? So today I was scrolling Instagram and मुझे एक picture, I saw one picture where there was two of my most important people who have entered my life. One is Premananji Maharaj and the second one is Neem Karoli Baba. So these two people are one of the most important people in my life right now. And I was scrolling Instagram when I saw that somebody had created an AI picture with Maharaj Ji and Neem Karoli Baba, both of them sitting together by a ghat in Ganga, near Ganga on Varanasi, somewhere like that. The moment I saw the picture, I was like, oh my God, how beautiful is this? I felt so emotional and this is so beautiful. I need to frame it. I need to frame it and put it in my house. And I took a screenshot of the photo. I was so, I was so deliberate that I did not even ask the owner if he could send a good image in Instagram DM. And I just took a screenshot of it. So I wanted to go and take this printout and do this photo frame immediately. But then the shop was a little bit far. And somehow, I was very sad ki aaj I can't go today and all of that. And then my mother said, anyway, we have to go buy vegetables. So there's this market area which we go there. So I said, you don't come, I will go. And I will go and do this printing work and also buy you some vegetables when I come from the market. And so I got my painting, I got my framing done. And when I sat in the auto, you know what I realized? I realized that all of this Guru Kripa happened on a Thursday. So Thursdays are the days when Gurus enter your life. Thursday is Guruvar. Thursday I'm wearing yellow and here is the picture. This is the picture of Maharaj Ji, Premananji Maharaj and Neem Karoli Baba. And why am I making this video? This video is a reminder to you that even in the smallest moments, God is always there with you. In the little cries that you do, in the happy moments that you smile, in the angry moments that you shout, God is with you always. And if you are interested in having this picture, I took a screenshot of this picture and I have framed it like this. So if you want to do the same, there's a WhatsApp number given below. Just please ask image and I will share the image with you in WhatsApp. You can then go ahead and frame it. If you are looking for one-to-one counseling regarding anxiety, panic, depression and lot more, there is the same WhatsApp number which is given below. Please go and just comment, give me a message and I will answer you immediately. Hi, I'm Samiksha and thank you so much for watching today's video. Lots of love.